Hello again, everyone. How do I get involved in real estate if I don't know the market? I don't know enough about homes. I don't want to deal with renovations. I don't have time. I'm really scared of the idea of having tenants that might destroy my property. All these fears that we have about real estate that stop us from getting involved, even though we know there's benefits to be had. How do we get involved? How do we get started? Where do we go? Right? So this is what I want to talk about. I'm Steve with Inspired Minds Real Estate Investing, and you can find this channel. It'll help you out with a lot of different kind of entry solutions to getting into real estate investing, and kind of dives into some of the things that you might not know, so you can build your knowledge. So today we'll talk about joint ventureship or venture partnership, where you can act as a passive investor in real estate solutions that provide you great returns, and takes away the risk from your plate, and allows you to kind of passively invest without having the mental anxiety or the mental effort involved. So what does that look like? Basically, you find a working partner, somebody who's already investing in your local community or investing in a way that you would like to get involved, whether it's in apartment complexes, condos, single family units, whatever. Um, these people are already doing it. They're already having success. They understand the market. They understand what properties to look for. They understand how to tenant those properties, and they're dealing with the maintenance in whatever way they are handling it, whether they're the ones doing the maintenance themselves, property managing it themselves, or they're finding solutions to do that. But these people can show you the numbers of their success. They can show you what they've done and what strategy they're using, and provide some comfort to the idea that if you were to put your equity into maybe a down payment and a mortgage, they'd be able to provide you the income on that property, right? And so what does that look like? Usually it's a split between you and the working partner on any gains that are realized off of your equity. That could be a 50-50 split for the gains. So if you were to put $100,000 in for the down payment, you still retain that $100,000 in your property that your name is on, and your working partner, and you split the gains every year off of that. So the appreciation value in the long run, the mortgage pay down in the long run, and any cash flow that's coming in gets split between you and the working partner. You might be saying to yourself, well, that's a lot of money to be giving up on my investment. But when you think about and compare the difference of returns, working partners in this industry are creating scenarios and finding solutions and investments that work to benefit them in the 20% plus margins in terms of investment returns. So when you split that in half, even if you're doing a 50-50 split with that working partner, you're still getting 10 to 15 to even upwards of 20% returns, depending on the situation and scenario on your investment, and you don't have to do anything because they're managing all that aspect, right? So where do you find these working partners? Well, they're working in the industry. They're doing things like this on YouTube. They're talking to people, providing value, and demonstrating their knowledge. And these people, again, they're looking for you to help them get ahead as well, because all of us that are investing currently, we run out of capital to continue to invest in our own properties, and we also run out of the ability to gain mortgages with some of the big lenders, because we get capped on how many mortgages you can have in your name. So for individuals like myself that are already active in the business, we're looking for partners who want to gain from and create financial freedom for themselves, to work with, so that we can build our portfolio, build your portfolio, and work together to create solutions so that we all win in the end. And so joint venture partnerships is a great way to get started if you don't have the knowledge and want to get into it. But if you have any questions, reach out, feel free. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next episode. Cheers.